Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the best curbside deals for the week of February the 13th right till the 18th. Now, as it's getting close to Valentine's Day, I'm sure the store will be busy. So if you want to order a bunch of stuff from the comforts of your home through a desktop computer, cell phone, or tablet, that's what we're doing in this video. We're going to hit that blue button, opt for a pickup, and then drive to the store, go to the photo desk and say, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith. I'm here for my order." And they'll be like, "Oh, Mrs. Smith, no problem. Let me get that order for you." And it's as easy as that. In case you missed this video yesterday where you can get greeting cards for free with a coupon found at Walgreens, you might want to check out this video linked at the very end. If you're in the store doing your curbside pickup, you might want to get some free Hallmark Cares card. I go through every step of this, and I love this because I hate paying for cards. So check that out. Okay, the first deal that we're going to look at, this is a superb one. It involves the Axe deodorant. So they are $5 a pop, and for this deal, we're going to put 3 in a basket for $15. Following digital coupons that include a 4 off a 2, and then we also have a really nice little $2 one, so load all of those coupons. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, look for this rebate. You're getting $1 back for up to 3, so that's really nice. So that's $3 back. The estimated basket is $15. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. $6 of coupons melting off right there for a total of $9.90. You're getting back $5 for buying the 3 and then making that submission to the Fetch Rewards app for $3 back. So it makes it like $1 for the 3 or 33 cents per. So that's a very good deal. If you like the Axe deodorants, you might want to check out this deal. And I would absolutely use a little bit of Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it in this scenario. Okay, so this next deal is called Coupon Valentine. So this is what we're going to grab, guys, is one of these Kit Kat candy bars for $1.79. They have a bunch of different flavors as well. We have this digital coupon, which is $1.25 off. Load it. We're also going to grab one of these BIC disposable razor for men for $3.99. And we have a $4 digital coupon that will reduce down to cost. So basically makes this razor for free. This is one item that we used to get for free like a lot, and it's kind of slowed down in the last couple months. I have noticed as well. The final item is a 3-pound bag of the lavender Epsom salt for $4.99. I love this stuff. And we have a Just For You coupon. So hopefully you got the same one as I. It's $1.50 off. In a 3-pound bag, you can do a lot with that. Okay, so looking at the overall basket here, it's $10.77. So you have to have at least a $10 mark to get free curbside pickup, free tax, $6.74 of digital's coming off. So the new total is $4.57. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash, pay that 57 cents, and call this a super smart deal. I just love this basket. Okay, deal number 3. We are going to get 2 of these L'Oreal collagen face creams. I know that when this deal was piping hot a couple weeks back, a lot of stores were completely cleared. So 2 for $24. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 12 off of 2. This reloaded for me for whatever reason, so I got another one. Okay, so $24.98, free curbside pickup. The $12 manufacturer is coming off for a total of $14.48. Use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $4.48 and call this a really good deal. If you live in a very cold and harsh climate, Midwest, harsh winter, this is a great product to have. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, deal number 4. We're going to grab 3 of the Tresemme shampoos priced at $6 a pop. Load your best friend, which is a 7 off of 3 for the Tresemme or Dove. Now, with the Tresemme basket, it's at $18, free curbside pickup. That $7 manufacturer is melting off for a new total of $12. And see, estimated, the promotion for Tresemme is buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So that's super uber smart. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.08 and get your $5 back and have your Tresemme on hand. This is the deal that I think, if you have anyone that has diabetes or if you have somebody in your household with diabetes, a very good deal. So the Contour Next, which is a blood glucose monitor, $19.99. And we have a $10 My Walgreens store coupon that we can utilize with this to get it for a lot less. And there's a whole bunch of different monitoring systems. Like if you want to grab one of these to have a backup or to gift, it might be a nice thing to do this Valentine's Day. So it would be $10.59. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 59 cents. And, it's just a really smart deal, especially if you have somebody that has diabetes or if you're a diabetic, a very good backup. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at, we're going to grab one of those $3.99 men's BIC and then 2 Scott paper products, a paper towel for $5 and a toilet paper for $5. So the following digital coupons, the $1 off for the paper towel, toilet paper, and the $1.25 IVC, and then this magic coupon, $4 off for the men's BIC. Looking at the overall basket, guys, your subtotal is $13.99. IVC coming off, free curbside pickup, and $5.99 off in coupons. Pay $6.19. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.19 and call this a very smart basket. Oh, and did I mention in store you can get Tide products for $1.15 a piece this week? You might want to check out this video linked right here. My gosh, a lot of magic happening this week over at Walgreens. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.